Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. And both these levels still pertain, and they've both gotten that much more interesting, especially this 92.50 mark, which is representing the red line right there and key level of resistance. You can see that again today. The price spent quite a bit of time just right underneath there. So it's just become that much more apparent that, yeah, 92.50 is indeed a level of resistance. So that just means that many more people are watching it, which is important because when there are lots of people watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. But whenever those levels are broken, that can create some very dynamic movement. So while none of this is a guarantee because those don't exist, my core point here is that it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to have that if the price can work its way up to 92.50 and get a break of that, that could very well create some nice upside buying pressure. So keep a close eye on 92.50 moving forward as that main level of resistance. And then on the flip side of things, nothing new here to report that other than 90 is still a level of support. In fact, got a little bit of confirmation of that. I say confirmation because the first 30 minutes of the day, you can see the price drop down there. And sure, it didn't hit that green line exactly, but I think we'd all agree. Got very close to that green line before bouncing back upwards. So a nice little data point there that is suggesting that that's the level of support. And again, same exact logic. A lot of people will be watching that level. And while it's not a guarantee, if the price were to go down there and break down through it, it's a valid and rational thought to have that could create some downwards pressure to the bearish direction. But as of right now, 92.50 key level of resistance, $90 key level of support. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.